We're on the Santa Fe Trail. Where are we?
Land grant.
Yeah. Where are we headed, Jenna?
We're headed to Fort Union National Monument.
Yeah. And so it's just something. How did we find out about it? I forget.
I saw, well, on the interstate, it said, like it was 50 miles ahead or something.
Oh, yeah, when we were driving here.
Yeah, and I was like, we've never been there. We need to go there.
Yeah. And so we're vested in, we love the history of New Mexico. Although, like a lot of the country back in the day in the 1800s, it was very violent. From the Lincoln County Wars to the Colfax County Wars, which is a lot of the history of what we're seeing today. And it will tie in with our summer work camping gig that we'll tell you guys about soon. So stay tuned.
We're trying to learn as much as we can of the area.
Yeah, Jana's reading a book and she's telling me about it as she's reading it. So we're having fun. I'm going to show you some more of the snow. Reading that you can see the ruts of the what were they called, covered wagons in this area. So we stopped here. I don't know whether mountain branch trail ruts, whether that's what that means or not, but let's find out. From indigenous trail to international highway. Intersection of history, the Santa Fe Trail and Fort Union. Yeah, on the hillside in front of you are the wagon ruts of the Santa Fe Trail. I'll show that to you guys in just a minute. And this says a new community sprouts roots. And they don't mean like vegetables. But supposedly, yeah.
Trail right across here, see?
Oh yeah. So the trail goes, as you could see in this.
Right before that curve, it was the Santa Fe Trail.
Wow. So there's the curve. And then, so these are ruts from all of the covered wagons. How crazy is that? Back to this first sign, it says, "You are here," and we just left Las Vegas, Story Lake. We headed to Fort Union. We must be almost there.
Yeah. So the red is the Santa Fe Trail.
All the way
to Boonville.
Kansas City. Kansas City, here I come.
Is that?
New Franklin?
Oh, that's Kansas City. That's Jefferson City.
Hi, Finn. Aroo. Hi, Sammy. We ready to roll? Okay, let's roll. best hospital in 500 miles between Fort Riley, Kansas and California. You would have found no bigger or better medical facility than the one here. Can you guys see the snow? Can you see the old path from the hospital? To the fort. Wow. Okay, that's the visitor center. You can see Penny. And then they have a model covered wagon. But look, way out there at the base of the trees, there's some more buildings, I guess, that aren't open to the public, I'm guessing, because those are a long way away. Wow, looks like a major highway. Eroded ruts. Says this row of officers' quarters cost the Army $127,000 to build back in the day. You guys, mostly, I'm amazed at how vast it is out here. There's a little ranch house on somebody's private property right out in the middle of nowhere. Close to, I started to say Fort Stanton. What is the fort we just visited?
Union.
Fort Union is Rio Mora National Wildlife Refuge. And we're going to go there. It's about 15 miles from the fort. and we're gonna check it out. We're gonna check it out, man. So we called the Refuge number off of the internet, got the department office. They said that other one was not the main road, that this is the main road. Their idea of my main road versus theirs is two different things. He said it'll have a little vault toilet and a shelter cover, and we can do educational things down there if you want us to. And there's a trail, and it's called the Juniper Trail. We are not going to walk the Juniper Trail today, but it's good to know that we can. And as is always the case, any road you go down, you got to be willing to back up.
Slow and easy.